Does it worry you, the prospect of violence?
Well, I'm confident that, and I've been on the road for 6 months now. What I've seen, I'm confident that I will be able to direct it through elections. I will be able to direct this through elections and bring about a change. But, the other possibility is, you would not want it to go the other way. I would not take power if I had a weak government like I had before. It was a coalition government, thin minority, always. I was not strong enough to implement rule of law. I could not bring the powerful mafias under the law because they had all ways of weakening me or blackmailing me. So I would only take power this time if I have the numbers in the National Assembly. And if you are strong enough